If your car windows squeak when you roll them up or down, I show you a quick and easy way to fix it. First, I use an air compressor to clean out the window channel where the glass moves up and down. Dirt and dust usually build up inside this area and cause the squeaking noise. If you don't have an air compressor, you can also use regular cloth or mop to clean it out. Next, we need to lubricate the rubber window guides that the glass slides through. For this, you should use a silicone lubricant. I use an WD-40 silicone lubricant. Notice that this is not regular WD-40, it's a silicone version. I put a link in the description when you can get it. Spray the lubricant into the window channels, like I'm showing here. Then roll the window up and down a few times so the silicone spreads evenly inside. After that, clean any silicone residue of the glass. I use a glass cleaner for this step, then I spray a little water on the window to test it. And that's it. The squeaking is completely gone. A quick and simple fix that only takes a few minutes. Just clean the channels, apply silicone lubricant, and you're good to go. Here are some behind the scenes moments for the filming this video.